This is my survival cap. So in this there are three functions. One is a buzzer which goes like the second one is the fan, and the third one is this blinking light. See? So now suppose you are stuck in the cave. You are walking, and you can't find a way out. Hello. You are confused. So what you can do is, first of all, it's too suffocated here. Let me switch on this fan. Better. Now the rescue team is finding for you, but they can't also locate you. So you switch on the buzzer like damn, and then they'll hear the sound and come and take you out of the cave. Yeah! Now the second situation. Second and the last situation is like you are walking in a forest. You are walking in a forest. Then suddenly you see a wild animal and your buzzer is off. First you have switched on your fan because it's hot, it's summertime. Then this blinking light will scare the animal a little, but not that much. So to scare the animal, you switch on the buzzer and then the animal will get scared. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.